How to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if add music to profile option is not showing on Instagram. Now, the first thing you can do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and you want to search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This will do two things. The first is it will fix any bugs in your app. The second is if there is any latest feature, you will get that feature on your Instagram app. So after updating the app, you want to open up Instagram and check. Now, if that doesn't fixes your issue, you simply want to uninstall the Instagram app. Once it has been uninstalled, you want to again install it on your device. Once the reinstallation has been completed, launch Open Instagram, log into your account by entering your credentials. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on Edit Profile option. Now scroll down and here as you can see the option of music is available. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you want to select any song from this list. Then tap on this arrow icon. Now tap on this tick mark option. After this, the music has been successfully added. If you head back, as you can see on your profile, you have successfully added music. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.